Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the dollar yen. Now the dollar yen is still in this pattern that we expect the market to eventually break to the upside. And last week we identified a potential trading opportunity in the form of a reverse head and shoulders on the daily chart. And if you've taken this trade, well done. However, you need to be very cautious, because if I drop this down to the hourly time frame, we can see that price action is starting to change. Now what do I mean by that? Because here the market had put in a nice bullish structure, and that bullish structure has now been broken. So now you can expect this market to give you a retracement back into the 618 retracement, and then we can expect to move down, back down here. And that could also be because of the formation of the head and shoulders right there. So you have to be very, very cautious in terms of what price action does over here.